It's easy to give your woodworking projects a more professional, decorative look with a handheld router. Here's what you'll need. First, secure the board to your work surface with clamps so it doesn't shift during the routing process. Next, choose a bit. There's a wide variety of profiles available. Make sure the router is unplugged to avoid accidentally powering the tool on during installation. Next, feed the bit into the collet, leaving about 1/8 of an inch between the top of the bit and the base of the collet. Then, using the provided tools, tighten and lock the bit into place. Now, make any necessary adjustments, like setting height or depth guides. To begin routing, let the bit reach full speed before placing it against the wood. Starting at one end of the board, ease into the cut slowly so that you feel light to moderate resistance as you work. Make as many passes as you need, taking care not to lift the router until the bit comes to a complete stop. For more control, always move the router against the rotation of the bit. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.